Now Mr. Bohr is going to tell us his model. That will going to be pretty much interesting. Have you ever seen the surfing people? Surfboat. Like the man is standing and the water is there. This is the water in the ocean or lake sometimes. So this is the surfing. Wow, I like that. How much they balance themselves on the heights and all that things. But what is that related, and how is that related to our atomic model? So tell us about the atomic model and not your interest, Mr. Bohr. This is my model. What? This is your model? How? Let me show you. It's very simple. Electrons have their own energy. There is nucleus at the center, which is very powerful, and it orbits around the nucleus. That's simple. But that's what exactly taught by Rutherford. So what's new in that? Why are you more deserving in that case? You have found the flaw yourself. Well, there is something very interesting. Let me draw that. What will going to happen after you drawing that? Your flowery thing. Well, that's all I need to do. So Niels Bohr has taught us something very marvelous. Yay! Hooray! My model is complete. But how? Orbit is having its own energy. Orbit is having energy, just like the wave. In this case, wave is having energy. Electron is having energy or not? Electron is this person. Imagine this person is electron. This is the orbit. So what needs to be have energy to orbit? So there is no radiation? Certainly not, because of the motion. Because the wave is moving the electron. That's interesting. Sounds interesting. So the model tells us about the orbit itself is having energy, and by this Niels Bohr came to a result that E is directly proportional to n squared. Energy is directly proportional to orbit square. Well, that's interesting, Mr. Bohr. So you are telling us that orbit itself is having energy and electron is just surfing, just like the image you showed us in the orbit. Well, exactly. This is the model. Can you please explain a little more, as my students are not able to guess this point? Okay. So let's come back to our dream. So what is Bohr's model and what was its dream? So this is the failure which he found and which is replaced by him very simply by putting the wave and surfing model by using this diagram. So still, if we want something, we have to learn something. So we're gonna explore more on the Bohr's model, and we're gonna see that what this model is going to have and what are its key postulates. So stick with me, take care, God bless, and see ya.